Hi there, it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. This is our 1976 Triumph Tr6 Convertible, finished in British Racing Green, tan interior, factory hardtop, luggage rack, Redline tires. This thing has it all. Fantastic final year model in the best colors. 84,000 original miles. I believe we bought it off the second or possibly the third owner. But really lovely, well taken care of car. It's had a cosmetic restoration at one point with newer paint and interior refitted. So just beautiful condition overall. Great driving, final year TR6 in the best colors. Take a look around here. You can see super honest original body, great gaps. You know, slightly older paint, but in wonderful shape still. Beautiful set of original Michelin Redlines. This car just really has the right look for a TR6 right now. Great original chrome on the bumpers, the headlamp rims, you know, all the chrome fittings and the bright work are in excellent condition. Just a super well taken care of car. Really nice windshield glass with good rubber surround. But yeah, super good, honest, clean body with nice glossy British Racing Green paint. Couple small chips here and there, but you know, nothing out of the ordinary for a car that's just been well enjoyed and thoroughly you know, taken care of and driven. But yeah, so this is the late model stainless luggage rack. I think the last couple years got this new design of the stainless luggage rack fitted versus the tubular early style. But you can see here excellent bright blue original chrome work. Even the tail light lenses and the tail light surrounds beautiful. Great condition factory hardtop. Take a peek in here. You can see the headliner's all pretty nice. There's a little tiny tear there, but kind of right where the visor is, so not really in a noticeable area. But yeah, desirable factory body coated luggage. Hardtop on this one, which is super desirable if you want to drive the car year round and the weather isn't perfect for you year round. So let's take a look at this car's interior. So lovely restored interior with tan seats, great door panel set, really nice original dash all the way around. You can see that's the original wood, the original pads, crash pads, top pad, shift console. Even back here, everything's really nice. Seat belts, late style panel kit, but newer carpets, newer seats, just beautiful condition. Let's take a look at the driver's side here. So yeah, it's fitted with a wood aftermarket steering wheel, which is a welcome sight over the original plastic rubber one there. But yeah, really nice condition car. That's the original VIN plate. You can see the build date's December 65, and it's titled as a 76. So it is a final year 1976 TR6. Back here we have an original tan top boot. We see the original jack. There's a car cover. And there's items like this which are just gorgeous on the car. You know, original chrome gas cap in great condition. Yeah, we're doing a little bit of engine bay cosmetic fluffing, so we'll be showing those engine bay pictures. We'll be updating those. But yeah, we're going to be doing a driving video as well, adding that to the ad here. But really wonderful, well-preserved, 84,000 mile 1976 TR6 convertible, final year of production, finished in this beautiful British racing green, tan interior, factory hardtop, luggage rack, 4-speed, disc wheels fitted with these lovely, this lovely set of Michelin Redline tires. This car is fresh to the market. We just purchased it from, I believe, the second or third owner, and it's been super well taken care of all of its life. www.kurttannermotorcars.com.